If you're stuck in a Cloudflare verify you are human loop and can't get past the CAPTCHA, this video will show you how to fix it quickly. This usually happens when Cloudflare can't properly verify your connection. Even if you're not a bot, things like cache data, browser settings, or network issues can cause the verification to repeat. First, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Then restart your browser and reload the page. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy you're using, since these can trigger repeated CAPTCHA checks. Also disable browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools, as they can interfere with verification. If it's still not working, try a different browser or device. You can also switch networks, like using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, to get a new IP address. After that, refresh the page and complete the CAPTCHA again. The loop should be gone. If this helped, consider subscribing for more quick tech fixes.